Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can order in AliExpress application. Keep watching the video till the end. To order in AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Click on Allow to receive notifications from AliExpress. Tap on the product that you want to buy or order. On the next page, click on Buy Now option. Enter your shipping address details including your country, reason, contact, name, phone number, address and click on Save. Now all you need to do is select your payment method and enter your card details including your card number, CVV number and then click on Save and Confirm. This is how you can order in AliExpress quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.